Hi everyone, and warm welcome to another wonderful video of the credit card life. And this is without me being in the camera, so just thought of sharing three different American Express gifts which I've received in the past 18 months for referring people through my YouTube channel. Now this is just for the purpose of for the newcomers, especially people those who have recently joined American Express family. So what all gifts Amex has given to us in the last 3 years of 18 months of referral program, that's what I'm trying to showcase. Now one which you see in front of me, this is primarily the first one which I got, and this was again the playing cards, and let me just show you how it looks. So let me just push it for you guys. This is how it looks. See, it's beautiful, really beautiful. And overall, if you see the box, this is the box, this is how it looks. Let me just open the cards for you. So probably if I open the card here, let me just open that for you. And if you see, so this is the overall, the first Amex cards which Amex gave to all of us, right? So this is kind of the first gift which I got from American Express in terms of referral. The second one happens to be this one, which is a latest one, and this is something which I believe is one of the most posh ones when it comes to feel and finish. And trust me, if you just rub it over here, it feels like a silk, and kind of a mulberry effect. You have very smooth, pretty shiny as well. And see the tag of Manish Malhotra American Express cards, has a very stylish book as well. And if you just see the cards, it clearly shows this is what kind of designed by Manish Malhotra. And probably if I have to showcase the playing cards which I've already taken out, so this is how it looks. And if I just have to reveal the cards, it's fancy. I'll just show you something which I think I felt somewhat different. So this is the Queen, and if you see the Queen printout, it's completely different compared to normal cards. And then you see the other ones. So it's not that normally the ones which we normally see with the help of the existing cards which you normally get from the playing cards family. Now let us just come to the next point, which is the second one which I had received. Now this is something which comes from the traveler's kit. So Amex gave this particular kit to us as well, and this was again I'm about to ship to one of my friends who has requested me on let's say YouTube, and this one definitely going to go to him because this is a newly received one and it's kind of shiny as well. So you have this a little miniature, you have this binocular if I'm not mistaken. You have this tag which you can carry for the airport and luggage, all those things, and this is small rings you have. Okay, so this is what normally you have and the kind of gift you get from American Express. Let me just put it this way. Let me show one by one. So this is the kind of the second one which I got. This is the latest one which I really have, and the previous one came with this particular box, which is this. I hope this information is going to give you a bit of a pleasure in case if you have referred people through my YouTube referral link. And in case if you have any questions, do drop in. I'll be more than happy to talk to you all. Let me just showcase these one after another, and I think this should be pretty interesting as well. So these are three different gifts which I've got from American Express, and I just sort of highlighting and showing to all of you. Please subscribe and take care.